Let me turn this down. All right, so today we're starting out a little different. I'm in the Eclipse right now. I have to... What the hell? So I have to actually go all the way to this junkyard. I gotta go pick up some parts for the Z, so that way I can get the lower end of the car to look like legit and stuff like that. So when I start actually getting parts for this build, I know I can do this swap. So that's what we're doing. It's probably about like a 50-minute drive from where I am right now. So I'm not gonna really do much. Probably not until I get there. All right, so there's actually been a change of plans. There's a change of plans. I pulled over for right now. I'm in like a lot or whatever. I'm just trying to go on their website and see if there are like any additional parts and stuff that I can get now, because this drive is, it's kind of annoying and I don't want to have to make it more than once, but I most likely will. So I'm gonna go check their website real quick and then head out on the road a little bit. I might stop to go get food or whatever, or maybe just like a quick drink and keep it moving. So there's a change of plans. I called, they have to go and take the parts or whatever off the donor car essentially, and then they have to do an inspection, and then they will call me back when those parts are all inspected and pretty much in the clear to go. I'm gonna take a trip to Walmart to try to kill time, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on when that happens. So I ended up going to Walmart. I got a couple things. Obviously, you can't go wrong. The microfiber towels, I got some Drano because I need that at home. Some wire brushes. A nice little sponge because that was on sale. Also got some mini wire brushes because that came in there. Got some gloss black paint, so that way I could use that to do some interior and exterior stuff, because I think it works for both. And then I have this engine enamel, so that way when I go to put certain things back on the car, if I want them black, they'll be painted black. So I'm still waiting to hear back from the junkyard, because I don't know if they've done their inspections or not, but hopefully they have, so that way I can hurry up and go and grab those things now. I'm kind of just chilling out in the middle of nowhere.
A few moments later.
So there's a pile of junk. I got some stuff. I'm gonna clean out all the pointless wires and all that other stuff. I might spray some stuff down just to make it look nice, the black and all that stuff that I can add in there. I'm gonna take off this front cross piece because I'm not gonna need it. I'm gonna get a new one anyways. And a lot of this excess nonsense I'm just gonna take out today. So time lapse it. Alright, so I'm basically back home. This is all gonna get taken off. I'm pretty much just gonna strip it to its bare. I already started and forgot to record, but I took one headlight off. I'm gonna take this other side off, start stripping some of this down, just clean it up inside more, so that way it looks a little better than it is. The subframe, I'm still waiting to get a call back, but I should be picking up a new one today. And then the rest of this I might just reuse. I don't know if I want to replace yet. All of this has to get taped off. All of that black trimming stuff, that's gonna get pulled. And yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So I just got off the phone with the junkyard. Apparently they don't have the part that I was looking for. So it's back to being on the lookout for a new cross member, front bar, the whole plastic nonsense that was up here. I took the headlight housings out, and I'm just taking off all this other stuff. I'm basically gonna prep it, clean it, and then I probably might even spray it today. I doubt I'm gonna do that though. Doing all the grunt work and stuff like that to make sure that it's pretty much all set for what it needs. I'm also looking in here, and as you can see, like right down here, this wasn't even fully bolted up, whereas that side is at least bolted. So I have no idea how he didn't break this thing getting it off the trailer when I first got it. Yeah, I'm gonna get all these loose wirings and stuff off. I doubt I'm gonna need any of this wiring stuff, so I'm just gonna rip it up and get rid of it, get rid of some of these like old tubes and stuff, because all that stuff's gonna get replaced anyways. Like I said, working on trying to fix some of the rust in here. Alright, so here's a little update. I got all that plastic trimming off the top. I'm pretty much gonna like tape and mask all this off and that off, and then I'm gonna degrease a lot of it, wire brush it down, and then hose it down to clean all of that up. So it looks a lot better than it did before. I degreased it, wiped it down. I'm gonna dry it up a little bit. I'm kind of gonna leave it where it is, but for right now, this is kind of how it's gonna sit for a little bit. As you can see, it looks so much better than it did before. Need to find a new subframe and all that other stuff, so that way I can start bolting that up. Probably tomorrow I'll actually bolt everything up so it'll sit the right way. Even though the steering isn't fully there, but it'll get it together.
1 hour later.
So there is some generic stuff that I do need to get, as far as like the center console stuff. Like I do want to get a new cross member. Mine's good, but I want to get one that's like at least a little newer, so that way it'll look nice in there after I repaint it and everything. The less rust, the better. Do need to knock out actually putting the control arms on the proper way. So I do need to knock that out at some point. I might just do it tomorrow, but if you like the content and I should keep going, I'm more so doing this for myself, but if people watch it, hey, that's great, that's awesome. And then if you have any suggestions, submit any of the information below. To reach out, all my stuff's down there, my Twitter handle, my Instagram. Reach out to me if you have any tips or anything like that, or if you're selling any parts that, you know, I may need to do this build. That would truly help out a lot. I mean, I'm in forums and stuff. I'm on Facebook asking and reaching out to other people that I know have done things like this. So yeah, it's just an all new exciting thing, and here to just document it all, I guess. So like I said, if you liked what you saw, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.
What's poppin'?